Guys, so today hairstyle is using a waist, so you will get to know why I'm calling this hairstyles with the waist. So I'm making a half up in this hairstyle. I guess मैंने पिछले वाले में भी half up ही बनाया था and I guess I'm obsessed with half up, so I don't know. Now secure it with normal rubber band. You can use any one as per your choice, and I'm taking this ribbon. Actually ये ribbon is for my daughter's one of the dress वो actually waist में जाने वाला था, and again मैंने एक Instagram पे इंस्पो देखा जिसको मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा, सो मैंने सोचा let's try on my hair. So इस तरीके से ये टर्न आउट हुआ है. So now this is cute. Now I'm setting up my baby hair with a hairspray like this, and it's all done. So I know ये Instagram उस Instagram की तरह बेस्ट तो नहीं है, but okay. Now in the second one I'm taking my earring. Actually again ये मेरी daughter ने इसका second earring तोड़ दिया, so I'm taking as hairstyle, hair accessories you can say. और इसको आप सिक्योर कर सकते हो उसके पीछे वाले जो चेप होता है उससे आप सिक्योर कर लो so that ये गिरे नहीं. And it's all done. I guess ये इंडियन वेयर्स के साथ बहुत ही प्रिटी लगेगा फंक्शंस में and all. So let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Mine is this earring one. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me in this account. Bye.